Hello and welcome to the new video, and this video is about a fitting that I have been trying to make since long time. And this is an offset fitting which does the offset in both horizontal and vertical direction. So like you see here, this is 400 on the horizontal side and 200 on the vertical down. I can also lift it up, let's say 300, and now this is up. And this is a true S-bend in a sense that it is created by just one sweep, and you can see that the 3D line, the line in the 3D, which is a central line, and you can even see this in, if I turn to wireframe, so you can see it here like so. It's a true curve in the 3D, and also the sweep which is following the curve. So this is very, I always wanted to make this, but it's very hard inside Revit. So the thing is, you can turn it in either way. You can turn it this way or that way. So you have a horizontal offset and also the vertical offset, like so, the up or down. If I make it down, let's say minus 300, and then the curves also, the sweep also follows the smooth curved shape. It doesn't matter if it is either horizontal or vertical, or in both horizontal and vertical. And one more thing, that I have made it like a poly family. What the poly family means, if somebody does not want it to be curved, just, I have programmed it like way. If I click Mitered, so it just turns Mitered. So most of the fittings that I have made earlier regarding the offset video, the thing is that they do not maintain the same area of the duct, so it gets squeezed a lot. So because we do build it by just not one single sweep. So as you can see here, this is, if I show you on these views, so you can see this is completely constructible inside in the duct workshop. And yeah, if you see the top view, it looks like this. You can see it here, it looks like this, right? And if it is not mitered, if it is curved, it looks like this, like so. Now the thing is, also let's say this one is 0, right? So now this is complete like an S-bend, and also I can have, now this one is the vertical is 0, so it means it's horizontally at the same level. It's only the vertically at same level, only it's changing or it's having the offset in horizontal direction. And the same can be done in vertical case as well. So you just need to flip it like this, or turn it like this, and now you have it in just vertical direction. You can change the length. Let's say I change it to 800, and there you go, right? So this, and then if you, for example, also want to miter it, so this is the true value. And you might also would have noticed that the center line also follows just like the fitting. So if the center line is curved, so the fitting is curved, and if the center line is like this, mitered, so the fitting is also mitered. So you see here, if I do it like this, so the center line is also curved, right? And about some other feature about this, for example, if I make it back to if I make some new duct here, let's say 800 by 450, right, and I load the same fitting again here like this. So I can change the length, and I can also change the, for example, So let's say I have it I have it 0, so that it just have the offset in horizontal direction. So I have this inner radius on this side and this side, and obviously the outer one is calculated by adding the width of the duct. So right now this is the inside radius is 100, so I can also check it here, radial. So this one is 100, right? And since this is 800, so the outer one is going to be 900, and same goes from this side. So this 100 and here is 900. So I can change it as well. I can change it to, let's say, 200, so it changes. So now if I have it, so this one is 200 and this is going to be 1000. Same here, 200, and here it's going to be 1000. And I can change the length. So let's say I needed less length, so the length has to be, it has to be some minimum length, 800. So 1000, 1000, yeah. So it requires based on the distance that it has to go, it requires certain length, that minimum you have to give. And that is why, you know, in certain pieces like these, you do require considerable length that must be given. And if the offset is in one piece, if you're having the offset, let's say both for the horizontal and vertical, then it's having worth to give it a length, and provided the complete duct fitting is also one single sweep along the 3D path line, the curved 3D line, you can see here. And you can change to any direction. You can go down, let's say minus 400, it goes down like so. So I hope you enjoy this fitting, and it took me a long time to make this a true S-bend in both horizontal and vertical, and also have it to, you know, either mitered or with curved. So this is a kind of a fitting which does not squeeze the area of the duct. So nowhere you can see the area is squeezed. So it's a one single sweep, and the duct area everywhere is the same. It just looks little odd on the top view, but that is just fine as long as the airflow is fine. Alright, I hope you liked it. Thanks. Have a nice time.